Hello everyone. As we all know, 11 lectures of amine are already done by Shivakant sir और आज हम लोग lecture number 12 से continue करने जा रहे हैं. So in this lecture, we will study about carbylamine reaction, also known as isocyanide test. तो आइए सबसे पहले जानते हैं ये reaction होती क्या है. So carbylamine reaction is nothing but reaction of primary amine with alcoholic KOH and chloroform to form isocyanides, also known as carbylamine, as product. So first of all, let us write the reaction. Primary amine with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide when heated gives isocyanide, potassium chloride and water. So this is the overall reaction of isocyanide test. This is the primary amine and this is the isocyanide, also known as carbylamine, so formed. Isocyanide or carbylamine. So these compounds are basically foul smelling substances. Foul smelling means which have bad smell. So isocyanide is a foul smelling substance. Also, this reaction is only and only given by primary amines. This reaction is not given by secondary and tertiary amine. This is the reason why this reaction is also used as a test for primary amines. ये reaction सिर्फ primary amines के द्वारा दी जाती है. ये reaction सिर्फ primary amines के द्वारा दी जाती है. Secondary और tertiary amines do not give this reaction. This is a very important point. Next, now let us see some examples. In primary amine, there are aliphatic primary amines as well as aromatic primary amines, and both the type of amines do give this reaction. So let us take examples one by one. First of all, let us take an example of primary aliphatic amine, that is ethylamine or ethanamine. Ethylamine. This is an aliphatic. Aliphatic means open chain. Aliphatic primary amine. So this is the formula of ethylamine. Now reacting it with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide gives ethyl isocyanide and the side products. So this is the ethyl isocyanide and this is the primary aliphatic amine, ethylamine. Now let us take another example of an aromatic primary amine, that is aniline. Aromatic primary amine. Aniline is nothing but benzene के ऊपर NH2. So this is the formula of aniline. On reacting it with chloroform and alcoholic potassium hydroxide heated, it gives benzene isocyanide along with the byproducts of the reaction. So this is the isocyanide and this is the primary aromatic amine. Also, to solve the question of this reaction, only and only what you have to do is replace the NH2 by NC, मतलब NH2 हटाओ NC लगाओ. So this is the way to solve the questions of this reaction, and hence here we get completed with this reaction, that is carbylamine reaction. Hope it helps you. Thank you.